The 2026 Suzuki Baleno has finally arrived, marking a significant evolution in the premium hatchback segment. This new generation Baleno continues Suzuki's legacy of offering practicality, efficiency, and style in a compact form, but now it does so with a more dynamic flair, smarter technology, and better performance. Designed to appeal to both urban drivers and those who love weekend getaways, the 2026 Baleno brings a host of improvements that reflect a clear shift toward modernity. At first glance, the 2026 Baleno stands out with its bold and sculpted design. The front fascia now features a wider grille with a chrome accented outline, flanked by sleek LED projector headlamps and integrated LED DRLs. The revised bumper design gives the hatchback a more athletic and aggressive stance, while the rear is enhanced with LED taillights that mirror the front's modern appeal. The alloy wheels, now available in a dual-tone finish, further enhance the sporty vibe of the Baleno, making it look upscale and youthful from every angle. Under the hood, the 2026 Baleno is expected to retain its tried and tested 1.2-liter dual-jet petrol engine, now updated for better efficiency and smoother power delivery. Paired with either a 5-speed manual or a CVT gearbox, the engine offers a balanced performance that is perfect for both city commuting and highway cruising. There are also rumors of a mild hybrid variant being introduced, which would cater to the growing demand for eco-friendly mobility in urban environments. The driving dynamics have been fine-tuned, with improved suspension and steering feedback that gives the driver more control and comfort on a variety of road conditions. Step inside the cabin, and the changes become even more evident. The 2026 Baleno boasts a refreshed interior with premium materials, a soft touch dashboard, and a new infotainment system. The center of attention is the large 9-inch floating touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Suzuki has also included a 360-degree camera, head-up display, rear AC vents, and a flat-bottom steering wheel with mounted controls. The interior space remains one of the best in the segment, offering generous legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The boot space remains ample, making the Baleno a practical choice for families. On the safety front, Suzuki has equipped the 2026 Baleno with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESP, hill hold assist, ISOFIX mounts, and a high-strength body structure. The inclusion of advanced driver assistance systems ADAS in select variants brings it closer to global standards and enhances driver confidence. These improvements make the new Baleno not just a stylish and comfortable ride but also a safer one. Overall, the 2026 Suzuki Baleno is a strong contender in the premium hatchback market. It successfully blends style, substance, and smart features, making it a well-rounded package for modern drivers. With its improved aesthetics, tech-savvy cabin, and a focus on safety and performance, the new Baleno continues to uphold its reputation as a reliable and desirable hatchback. Whether you are a first-time buyer or upgrading from an older model, the 2026 Baleno offers a compelling reason to make it your next car.